What the heck?
Did you just fart?
No, that was my seat.
Classic blame the seat.
I didn't fart, dude.
It's fine if you farted.
I-
If it was the seat, do it again.
Okay.
I rest my case. It's fine. Everybody farts.
I didn't fart. I would be fine if I farted. I'm comfortable with you. I can fart around you, but that was not a fart. That was my chair.
If you are embarrassed about your fart, I don't know what to tell you.
I didn't fart. My seat always makes that sound, and the one time you're in the car, that's no sound.
You seem very upset.
I
I'm
am
sorry.
upset. I'm embarrassed because
Because you farted, and it's totally normal.
I didn't
It's
fart.
fine. Whew. My God, jeez.
I think it smells good in here.
Okay, well, everybody likes their own brand.
It could be your breath we're smelling.
It's for sure your fart.
I didn't fart. That was the seat. My seat. Seat. Can we just stop? Can we just stop talking about it?
Okay. It's
Okay.
done. So I fell and had the wind just knocked out of me.
Okay, get off the breaking wind thing. I could go like for Mexican food.
Ooh, I could go for like a big slice of cheese pizza.
Oh, why? Because I cut the cheese?
Ooh, let's go home and watch Shark Week.
Shart Week? Did you say shart?
It was pretty good. I don't want to toot my own horn.
I didn't toot!
Vladimir Putin.
I did not poot, bitch.
Ooh, pothole. You don't want to get a blowout.
Get out.
Oh my God. Chill out. I'll see you tomorrow, okay?
Maybe you'll never see me again.
Oh, just... Oh, bye.
Bye. Oh,
I left my keys in here. Oh my God, what the fuck happened?
my seat.